If you're tired of vents that barely push air, this one's a serious upgrade. Made of durable aluminum, it's built to last and look sharp in any modern space. Whether it's your home, office, or workshop, the open vent design allows for powerful, high volume airflow. It's noticeably stronger than your typical fixed air vent and helps circulate air quickly and evenly wherever you install it. The levelers are fully adjustable, so you can control the direction of the airflow. Open them wide, close them completely, or angle them just right. It's smooth and easy to do. Installation is simple. Just mark your screw holes, drill pilot holes, place the vent into the duct opening, align it, and screw it in. Done. Whether you're upgrading your room or finishing a remodel, this vent gives you a clean, modern finish. It's solid, sleek, and surprisingly powerful. A small touch that makes a big impact.